Fifth form. Assume the preparatory form of horse stance holding the dantian. Start by putting your hands on your thighs. First, turn your body to the left. Shift your weight to your left foot, and then return to the center. Turn your body to the right. Shift your weight to your right foot, and then return to the center. When you resume your original position, bring back your left foot and assume an upright stance holding the dantian. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In Chinese traditional medicine, fire is similar to neurosis or anxiety and is a manifestation of tension in the sympathetic nerves. Symptoms include palpitations, chest tightness, insomnia, excessive dreams, constipation, and diarrhea. The key movement is shaking the buttocks. Rotating the pelvis stimulates the parasympathetic nerves in the abdominal cavity, which improves digestive function and symptoms such as palpitation, balances overexcitation of the brain, and quells fire. Rotating your body to the right and left stimulates and regulates the nerves on both sides of the thoracic vertebrae, which can ease discomfort such as chest tightness and palpitation. Rolling the head reminds us to say no to unhappiness. We should always stay in an optimistic, positive mood.